Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 34 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. Here we've got also unlocks and notifications count. So basically you can use two different approaches to check two different things. So you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the time I've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings, Play Store, whatever you've got here, just tap on it and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. What's more, here you've got ways to disconnect. So for example, you can set app limits. So let's pretend I'm spending too much time on Booking. So just tap on this hourglass icon next to it and now we can set a limit. If I will set it for 0 hours and 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app only for 30 minutes a day. The app limit will reset at midnight. So that's quite cool option to really limit the usage of the specific app. Or you can set it on 0 hours and 0 minutes, and then your device will completely turn off this this app, so you will not have any time to use it during a day. So it depends what kind of effect you seek. And the second is, for example, the focus mode. So you can select distracting apps, so those from which you are receiving the most notifications. Just mark them. You can set the schedule, so choose the start and the end time and specific days of the week and tap on set, and then your device will limit the notifications from those distracting apps, so you can have a time for work, for your family, or for rest. It's up to you how you'd like to use the focus mode. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.